what is your name
Robert Wood.
and your name?
Nicole Clemens.
Okay.
We're on the record.
We're on the record on case D10-426391. Sir, are you going to represent yourself today?
Yes, sir.
And for the record, could you give us your name again?
Robert Dale Wood.
And ma'am, your name again?
Nicole M. Clemens.
And are you going to represent yourself today?
Yes, I am.
Okay, where do you live now?
Where do I live? I live in California,
Okay, what part?
in Redondo Beach.
Okay. Have you guys talked?
No. Well, we
We've-
did, but
we've spoken, but we haven't come up with
we
a
kind of
solution.
like want the same thing.
Okay. So, if you want the same thing, you guys can't agree, eventually we're gonna have to have a hearing. Okay? Have you been to family mediation to talk to a mediator?
In the past, we well, no, we decided not to
Well,
do it.
we decided not to go
Yeah,
because we worked it out ourselves last time.
Well, that's the way you should do it. So you're gonna stay in California,
correct.
and you're gonna stay out of jail,
Correct.
and you're gonna live in Las Vegas.
Where I've been living.
Okay. Well, here's the situation. Somebody's going to get custody, and the other person's going to get visitation most of the summer, almost all of the summer, all of the spring break, half of Christmas, and every other weekend if they want it. And the exchanges will be someplace near Barstow or Baker. I don't know who's going to get custody, and I don't know who's going to get all the summer break, the spring break. All 3-day weekends will be given to the person who doesn't have actual custody day to day. The child, how old is the child now?
He's 4 today.
Okay. Well, until the child starts, the child in school,
Yes, he is.
Yes,
where?
not currently right now, but at Head Start, Osceola Learning Center.
In California?
No, he was going to school up here. They enrolled him in school, and I decided to wait on him going back to school because
But he's enrolled. He's missed his starting day because she wouldn't take him.
So I don't know, where's the child going to be
the child's with me right now.
in California?
No, here,
Okay, with you here.
right.
But where's the child going to live tomorrow and next week?
My house.
Well, we've been switching him with the original custody order. We've been doing 3.5 days, 3.5 days. Because I've been here since
Okay.
the last court date.
And when are you going to move then?
I was thinking after today because I thought today was the hearing.
And what kind of school is the child in?
Head Start.
Okay.
It's a kind of like a preschool. He's been going there since he's
Well, we need to
year-old.
set some temporary orders until you guys go to mediation. I'm going to order you go to mediation first. And if that doesn't work out, then, and the reason I gave you what I plan on doing is so you know what to expect. Someone's going to have to get custody eventually, and someone's going to get all the visitation that I mentioned. So you guys need to decide which one is going to get custody and which one's going to get all the visitation. Obviously, there is some distance involved, but some parent can see the child every month with a little, I know it's a little hassle going to Barstow or Baker, but in the summer, someone's going to have close to 10 to 11 weeks of straight vacation with the child in the summer, and then someone's going to have the whole 8 days, 7 to 8 days of spring break and 7 days at Christmas, and 3-day weekends. Definitely that person will get those 3-day weekends. Right now, you two, when you go to mediation, you should decide whether the child can spend half a school year here and the other half a school year in California. because the child's only in preschool right now. And you guys could also discuss whether you wanna do that next year when the child's in kindergarten.
No, he'll still be, he misses the cutoff, actually, so for 2 more years, he'll be in preschool. He, the cutoff's September
When does he start
1st.
kindergarten then?
He'll be when he's 5, but his birthday's September 12th, and the cutoff's September 1st.
So he won't start kindergarten until 2015?
As far as I know.
Yes, because he'll
So
have,
we have 2 more years where you guys can share the custody of the child for 6 months each.
okay,
Because you can still have him in school, but he can be in school 6 months here, 6 months there, and then rotate again, and then 6 months here and 6 months there until he starts kindergarten, where at that time you guys should decide where the child's going to stay during the school year, and then use my schedule the rest of the year.
Can I talk to her real fast? You know how,
Do we have a case waiting?
Not really.
Okay. I'll step out and you guys can talk, or you guys can go out to the hallway,
Okay.
whichever's more comfortable for you.
Thank you.
We'll be off the record.